Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Too often, the thing you want most is the one thing you can't have. This was said by the Grey's Anatomy character Meredith Grey, and it can be quite meaningful, especially to people who are unsatisfied with any aspect of their life. So often nowadays, people are unsatisfied with their physical appearance, and both men and women turn to cosmetic surgery as a way to feel better about themselves. For example, one of the aspects that bothers women the most is the size of their breasts. Many of them feel the need to increase their breast size through silicone implants. If you find yourself in this situation, you might consider some of these natural ways to increase your breast size before opting for surgery. Fenugreek. This seed, originally from Greece, is able to increase your breast size when in contact with the breast tissue. It's believed that this is due to the fact fenugreek imitates the effects of estrogen and stimulates prolactin production. In order to benefit from this seed's properties, soak some fenugreek in a container of water overnight, or for 8 consecutive hours. Finally, gently massage your breasts with the water. Star anise. According to a study performed in 1980, the star anise can be used to increase estrogen levels. In order for it to help with breast growth, you must drink star anise tea for 7 days, then wait 7 days to restart the process. The tea is easy to make. Just boil 1 liter of water with 1 teaspoon of anise. Fennel. Fennel contains phytoestrogens, vegetable substances that stimulate breast growth and milk production in lactating women. Furthermore, it's rich in substances that increase your body's ability to produce estrogen. In this case, the best way to consume it would be through salads or teas. Licorice. The effects of licorice can be similar to those of fennels when it comes to breast growth. The best way to benefit from it would be through tea. In order to make the tea, boil 2 tablespoons of licorice root in 1.5 liters of water. As soon as it starts to boil, let it cool for 10 minutes. Then strain and drink the mixture. Pueraria mirifica. A Thai study has shown that 70% of the women that started taking Pueraria mirifica supplements saw an increase in breast size and a reduction in stretch marks. The best way to ingest it is through supplements. Always make sure your calcium levels are good by taking calcium supplements or eating foods rich in calcium. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.